In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see usage in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to check your limits on mobile, how to read the model indicators in a conversation, and how the rolling reset window really works so you don't get caught off guard mid-project. First, confirm your active subscription tier on the mobile app because message allowances and processing priority depend on it. Open the official ChatGPT app on iOS or Android. Tap the menu icon in the top left, then tap your profile or settings at the bottom. Go into the account section and look under the plan header to see whether you're on free, plus, or go, business, or pro. This one screen sets the baseline for everything else you'll see in usage, so take note. If your work depends on longer, faster sessions, this tier determines how generous those sessions will be. Next, understand today's multi-model caps so your expectations match what the system can deliver. The primary model, GPT 5.5 Instant, is where most messages land. On free, you get about 10 messages every 5 hours. On Plus or Go, you get around 160 messages every 3 hours. Pro and Business are virtually unlimited within normal abuse safeguards. When the primary pool runs out, the app can route you to a lighter model, GPT 5.5 Mini. For advanced reasoning, GPT 5.5 Thinking has its own counter. Plus and Go can use up to roughly 3,000 manual messages per week. Free is restricted to lighter routing, and Pro or Business gets uncapped priority reasoning. If you ever feel the replies suddenly get shorter, skip deep logic or come back almost instantly. That's a sign you've hit a cap and the system has switched models. Look at the top of your chat. If the label shows GPT 5.5 Mini instead of your selected model, your high priority pool is temporarily exhausted. To audit your exact numbers, head back to settings and open usage or account limits. You'll see several live meters, your rolling 3-hour message bar, your remaining advanced reasoning balance for the week, the context window indicator that warns when a very long thread may start losing earlier details, file upload trackers with a typical cap of about 80 files per 3 hours, and limits for image generation and custom GPTs. Finally, remember the sliding reset window. Nothing snaps back at midnight. Each message slot refills exactly 3 hours after you used it, or 5 hours on free. Before a heavy session, open settings, tap usage, and check the countdowns. If you're hitting caps multiple times a week, moving from Plus to Pro removes that rolling ceiling. That's it. Check your plan, watch the model label, and keep an eye on the usage dashboard to stay productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.